it's not only the job of the Bureau of Fire to be able to prevent it. Mas effective kung kita gud mismo conscious about it. So before you leave your homes, before you sleep at night, you make sure na way fire hazard sa Izu Bayay. And doon anatong mga beautiful women of Bureau of Fire, si Vice Mayor Casora happy the whole week. Pero yagihapon kalimti si Lenny. And so last week, it's one of the, I would say, the week that we just left at was, I would say, one of the busiest week nato there is not only sa city but also sa probinsya ng Surigao. First of all, to all those who were involved for the celebration of our Bishop's 25th Episcopal Anniversary. It was a very, very successful event. Salamat sa nag-assist, especially sa tourism and sa GSO ato palakpakan. So we were able to assist. Long pa ako na amoy ni nan adlaw na pinakaduol kita sa langit. Sa zonang kao, 40 ka, more than 30, almost 40 ka bishops down sa Surigao, isa ka cardinal and duha ka nunsyo. So at the time siguro nabawas ba, mas at the time ang sino zaton mga naka-attend sa misa, mas dako ang chance nato na mahilangit kita. So it made the community very meaningful. That day was very much meaningful to all of us. It's very it's not every day that you have bishop na mo celebrate ng 25 years as a bishop, and you know, we have a very dynamic diocese, and we could show its appreciation by supporting also its activities. And we also launched the People's Day nato sa Barangay Kansasay. For this is the second year nato, and it was a very successful launch. Salamat sa tanan sa nag-participate. Ato palakpakan tanan mga nang biyahe dito. Sino to ni sakay sa landing craft na 30 minutos nagpasuga. But anyway, sa tanan na ni kadto, this experience is not about me. It's not even for me. This experience is for you. Makita nizo kung uno kalipay, uno kadako na kalipay ang mahatag nato sa tao na mudungaw kita sa ilaliblib na lugar, and then muhatag kita ng premium service of the city government. As what I've always said, it is one of the things that I'm very proud of, that we have done in this administration, to reach out to the barangay level, that no Surigaonon will be left behind. And to cap the week, we had the successful event with the province to make Surigao insurgency free. For more than 50 years, insurgency has been a concern for everybody, to the community, to the businesses, and even to the government. And finally, after all those years, we have finally come together and joined in one government. It is not saying that we have defeated the enemy. Actually, waya nato sila tagpildi. We were able to convince that we should be in one government. You know, when I was in college, it was indoctrinated upon us the different forms of government. And sometimes you would say that socialism is more ideal. But in any event, to any government system, there is always that corruption. Maskin pa kung uno ka ideal ang system, makorrupted gihapon siya through time, especially when there is no public accountability. If there will be no liable for all the wrong things that you have done. And that is why we have convinced them that it is better in this government. We are not saying that this system is perfect. We are not saying na mas maradyaw inin ato gobyerno. Daghan gyapon ini problema. But the best thing of this is that we ourselves can do better. We ourselves can also change time. Kita nagtrabaho man kita sa gobyerno, we can always improve. And jaoy managot kung jaoy sadyo. And I would say it is still better that isara nato gobyerno. It's always good nakita tanan jaon ra sa isa ka sistema, and jaon na sistema tabangan nato na mo improve kita to be the best system. We may not able to change dajon kun uno ang tanan mga sajuk, but we can be a model for that. Pwede kita mahimo na maguna sa ato mga pagbago and the things that we have been doing for the past 2 years in this administration. It is again, this is for you. This is for you to appreciate ng izo trabaho sa gobyerno. This is for you to discover that somebody in you kung only role or only imo matampo para sa kalambuan nato diri sa Surigao. So, let us continue to be inspired for all the achievements that we have done for the past 2 years. Let us continue to do more, because there are still a lot of things that we can do, and I'm very, very happy that together we are doing it para sa mga Surigaonon. So let's have a happy week ahead, and let us have a meaningful Holy Week. Kung jao may galing plano magbakasyon, try niyo magbakasyon diri sa Surigao. Daghan mga karadyawan, maradyaw na mga lugar na pwede pa ma-discover. Daghay mga lugar na kita mismo di na nato kinahanglan hanapon sa gawas. And for that, we can be more proud of ourselves as the beauty that we have in here in Surigao and for us mga Surigaonans. Maradyaw na buntag sa ato tanan.